Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to create poll in Instagram stories. So head over to the Instagram application first. Once in there, make sure you upload it into your desired account and then head over to the profile. Now go to the story section, select a photo. From here, select a photo and let's say I'm selecting this one, and here tap on the sticker icon on the top, and here tap on poll, as we are going to add a poll. So we are going to ask a question: how's weather for today? So you're giving two options. So you can add more options if you want, and once you are done, tap on done on the top right, and here people can tap on it and they can just give their opinion and then post it on your story. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.